Bonjour! Good to see you again, guys. Today, we're going to discuss one of our most vital partners in the internet industry, which is the Google search engine. We're going to delve deeper on the important role that Google plays in ANGSA's ecosystem, since a huge part of the company's growth is attributed to our partnership with them. Web startup companies all aim for good search engine optimization. When people look for products and services online, they would use the most reliable search engines that could give them the most relevant results. And on top of their list is Google, which is the most trusted name in this field. It is not as simple as being part of Google's search results, because what matters is being part of the top searches. While Google provides a multitude of websites for different queries, people will only consider what they see on the first page. Still, some people who are not that patient will only consider the first 3 websites on the list. Search engine optimization, or SEO, includes methods and techniques that help organize and structure a website so that search engines can easily read it. A search engine like Google uses bots, which collect documents and information as they crawl all the sites on the World Wide Web. A website should be optimized so that bots will easily interpret the contents of the site. The objective of ANGSA, as well as other companies who have corporate websites, is to consistently be part of the first page, or better yet, the first entry of the Google results whenever people search for keywords connected to their business. Meeting this objective drives a lot of traffic to the sites, because it is very likely that a person who's looking for a solution online will not go beyond the first page of the search results. Ask yourself, when was the last time you bothered to check what's on page 2 of the Google results? Having said that, let's check out the screen capture. Out of 4,790,000 websites referenced, AzureTheWe.com is on top of the natural list. The paid list is on top because these companies bought the keywords free diet to ensure the top spots when such queries are made. As you can see, AzureTheWe.com is also part of the paid list. This is very ideal for ANGSA's business. ANGSA uses 2 types of optimization, technical and editorial optimization. Technical optimization involves technical planning and organization of a website. The first thing to consider is a website address, because it's the first noticeable attribute recognized by the search engines. Secondly, the titles and subtitles should be coded with headers, such as H1 and H2. Having these header tags will tell the bots of the search engines what the website is about. The Content Management System, or CMS, should be compatible with SEO, so that data are structured for a correct interpretation of the pages from Google. Check out the source code of our web page. You'll notice H1 tags. If you're part of the web technical team, then you can easily interpret the other codes that you see on the screen capture. Otherwise, if your job is not technical in nature, then there's no need to understand the other codes embedded. The second type of optimization is editorial optimization, which is concerned with the content of the web pages. Optimizations rely on the content of the text, with respect not only to the density of keywords on a page, but the relevance of the keywords and their context. For example, if the page is about Wii Fitness, the author will ensure that the keywords Wii Fitness are 3% of the total text, or 3 times if the text contains 100 words. This helps in the ranking of the web page search results. However, this shouldn't exceed 3%, because too much use of the keywords on web pages might result in spam. You also have to be sure that the content of the individual pages is unique. They should not be identical to other websites on the internet. The screen capture illustrates the keyword density. The phrase "voulez-vous" is used repeatedly on this page. Seeing the crucial role of SEO for an online company, we need a professional who's going to manage it. His tasks include ensuring compatibility of content management system and search engine optimization, offering content trends, topics, and keywords for optimization, monitoring the proper indexing of pages, analyzing trends using tools like Google Webmasters and Analytics in order to maintain a good position, and preparing reports on SEO statistics. Here's a screen capture of the content management system that we use. This is the document presented by the SEO manager to the web technical team. Important fields such as the page title, meta description, article title, and introduction are properly filled out to comply with the requirements of search engines. These attributes are recognized and interpreted by the bots. Aside from the text content, source codes of images and videos can also be modified to be easily read by the search engines. In this particular example, a video on a web page is the object of optimization. These are the performance criteria that are most commonly used. The first one is PageRank, which is a rating given by Google to a website. Google evaluates each website and gives them a score from 0 to 10. The higher the score, the more likely it is to appear on the top searches. Second, our position on Google. It simply means our ranking on the search results. And of course, we always aim to be on the top 10, if not the top rank. The third consideration is the number of impressions. An impression occurs when a link is posted on Google results on a given query. Next, we have click-through rate, or CTR, which is the percentage of conversion between the number of impressions and the number of times the link is clicked. Performance is also analyzed through the number of page views, the number of unique visitors, where the same visitor visiting the same site several times should only be counted once, and the bounce rate, which is at 100% when the visitor arrives at a page of the site and leaves without clicking on any links on the page. It is favorable if we get an increase in the number of page views and unique visitors, but we would like to see a decrease in the percentage of bounce rate. If many of our visitors just bounce without clicking on any internal links on the site, then it means they're not interested to have a closer look at our brand. Here's a screenshot of a monitoring report of Ajurdawi.com. Using this tool, we can monitor the number of impressions and hits, the click-through rate, and the page's average position on Google. On the internet, there are other online companies who offer the same products and services, and we have to strengthen the relevance of our site in reference to well-being. Search engine optimization plays an important role in our quest to be the most popular and credible well-being portal online.